Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find a specific CapCut effect that you want to use to your edits. So if you find a difficulty in finding an effect that you want to apply to your clips, now you can just do it by searching for it. So just click on effect, video effect. So CapCut provide you now with the search column that you can use to find that specific effect to use. So you can just click on the search column and type in the keyword. So for example, I want to add the wide angle effect. Click on the search or enter, and CapCut will show you this. So you can just choose or use the one that you want to apply to your clips. For example, I'm going to use this one, or maybe this one, and that's it. You can adjust if you want, and after that you can just go back and you are finished. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.